Hello and welcome. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to be here. Wherever you are, whatever you're going through, I hope this message gives you something meaningful to think about. Now, let me ask you a simple question. What if today was your last chance? Not your last day on earth, but your last chance to say the words you've been holding back. Your last chance to forgive someone. Your last chance to chase the dream you've been postponing. Your last chance to become the person you've always wanted to be. Most of us live as if we have unlimited time. We tell ourselves, I'll start tomorrow. I'll call them next week. I'll take care of my health next month. I'll follow my dream when the time is right. But tomorrow is a promise that no one can make. Life doesn't always give warnings. Sometimes opportunities disappear quietly. A friend moves away. A loved one is gone before we say, I love you. A dream fades because we waited too long to begin. The greatest regrets in life are often not the mistakes we made. They are the chances we never took. Imagine looking back years from now and realizing that fear made every important decision for you. Fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of being judged. Fear has stolen more dreams than failure ever could. But here's the truth. You don't need to have everything figured out. You don't need to be perfect. You only need the courage to take the next step. Even the smallest step forward is better than standing still. If today were your last chance, would you spend it worrying about what strangers think? Would you waste it comparing yourself to people on social media? Would you let one bad day convince you to give up? Probably not. You would focus on what truly matters. The people you love, the kindness you can share, the memories you can create, the dreams that still make your heart beat faster. Life is precious, not because it lasts forever, but because it doesn't. Every sunrise is an invitation. Every conversation is an opportunity. Every heartbeat is a reminder that your story is still being written. So don't wait for a perfect moment. Create one. Don't wait until you're fearless. Be brave while you're still afraid. Don't wait for life to become easier. Become stronger. Years from now, let your memories be filled with moments when you chose courage instead of comfort, when you chose hope instead of doubt, when you chose action instead of excuses. Because one day, there really will be a last chance. None of us knows when that day will come. Until then, live in a way that leaves fewer regrets and more meaningful memories. Smile more, love deeply, forgive quickly, learn constantly, and never stop believing that one decision can completely change your life. Thank you so much for listening. If this message spoke to your heart, please consider subscribing to the channel for more inspiring quotes and life lessons. I'd also love to hear your thoughts. So leave a comment below and share what you would do if today were your last chance. Take care of yourself, keep moving forward, and may every new day bring you hope, courage, and peace. See you in the next video.